sometimes the question comes up when you understand that automation is good and there are a lot of benefits. How do you get started, actually? What does it take, and what kind of planning do we need? And I would say, from our experience with many different kinds of organizations, there's always first a clear idea of what you want to do with automation. And that means that you have to have an idea of what automation can solve for you. And many times that is in revenue cycle, many times it's in HR or finance, but every organization is a little bit different. So there are 3 steps that you can take. One is the planning and discovery step, and that actually raises a very good question of, do you know your organization? Do you know what people do? And then the next step is to get the executive sponsorship, and then the third step is to build the bots and roll it out and measure the effect. And I think that's a very high level. Every organization is different. How about yourself, Mark?
Yeah, no, I agree with all of that. What I would add to that is the executive sponsorship is key.
Yes.
It's finding those progressive, forward-looking leaders who are willing to take a little bit of a risk on something new. And not every leader in an organization brings that mindset to it, but some do. Yeah. So go find those leaders and make them your champions. Right. And once you're your champions, a lot of other leaders will start signing up. That's how you get the scale, or at least that's how we did. The second is figure out where it's technically feasible. Some systems are easy to automate against. Right. Some can be a little bit more challenging. Right. Those initial use cases, find the ones where you have a high degree of confidence you're going to be successful, right? Because once they're in and people see the benefits, again, the reaction becomes, how do I get that? Right. So, if you kind of take those 2 factors into place and then also engage the workforce in it. Right. Because trepidation and fear is kind of the normal reaction when they think automation and the bots are coming. But if you can engage them and show them how it's going to make their life better, you'll be amazed. You will have people, champions across the company, signing up saying, we want more automation.
Right. But I think it's really critical that the first couple of automations be able to show the return on the investment really, really pretty fast.
Yeah.
And that helps.
It does. That helps. That goes a long way.
Thank you for visiting the Automation Anywhere YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build your own digital workforce with our Automation Success Platform. Get your free demo today at automationanywhere.com.